What's up, KJ gang? And I'm back again for another video. Another get ready with. I'm not really going anywhere. It's just I'm just doing my makeup just for the fun of it. So I didn't really bring everything with me because I'm not home. So before you get in the video, hit the like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button so you get videos from me every single time I post. Okay, so I'm gonna use my moisturizer. It's in a very big bottle and I think I got it at Walmart, but I don't know what it's called. Very like hydrating because my skin is dry. My nose and my forehead area like gets so shiny that like my highlighter like starts to come off. I hate it. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Prime. Yes, it is empty, but I still put my finger in and scoop some, you know. Why not? I paid like what, $40 for it? Did you guys like my first get ready with me video? Comment down below and let me know. So now I'm doing my eyebrows again and I'm using the same thing, e.l.f. Then I am gonna draw my eye. And like I said, I can't talk while I do my eyebrows, so okay, so I got my eyebrows on. I did not bring concealer, so I will usually conceal my eyebrows and make them more sharp and clean, but I don't have it, so let's just get straight into my foundation, the Maybelline foundation full coverage from Super Stay. What are your guys' favorite foundation? Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite foundation and what's your favorite full coverage, because I want more full coverage because I actually like full coverage better because I have redness on my face and I like how it can cover up the red discoloration on my nose and my cheek. Not too expensive, like $30 and under. Let me know because I'm cheap and I don't want like a very expensive $40, $50 full coverage foundation because I don't want to spend money. And about Fortnite, like I said in my other Get Ready With Me video, if you have a Fortnite account, if you're playing on your cell phone, on the PC, on the Xbox, on the PS4, it doesn't matter because Fortnite, everybody can play together. It crosses over. So comment down below and let me know what your username is so I can add you and follow you and we can play together. Okay, so now I'm using the Fit Me and I'm just going to go powder around my face. Okay, so now I'm finishing with my face. So I'm gonna use my mascara from Miss Mango Walk. Okay, so I did my top and bottom lashes with mascara. Now I'm gonna put my lashes on and I will be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I am done my natural makeup without adding all the extra eyeliner, eyeshadow, the highlight, the blush, and the baking, and the, you know what I mean? This is my natural look. This is what I do when I'm just doing my makeup for a simple day, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope I wasn't boring once again. If you want me to do more get ready with me's or even clothing hauls, because summertime's coming up and I'm gonna be doing a shopping spree for summertime, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to do more reaction, the followers that I have based on me reacting to the singers in the Philippines, comment down below, let me know. That's the end. Hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell to get videos from me every single time I post. And that's it. Bye.